Hi, I'm Andy Hopper.
And I'm Nerdy Creations. And today we're going to do
Birthday nails!
for May! Happy birthday, May!
Happy birthday, May! What you'll need is a Super Chick lacquer. This is juicy. A Insta Dry Crayola. Carnation pink. Purple heart. Then the green. Granny Smith apple. The plate I'll be using is Bundle Monster H20. So let's get started. I started off by putting orange on all the nails and then the clear coat. I'm going to use this image right here with a pink, a purple, and a green. I'm going to put the green in the middle balloon. Of course. There it is.
Alright, for my part, you're going to need Super Chick Lacquer 40 Pinks, which is purple. Super Chick Lacquer Swoon, pink. Juicy, which is orange. And No Rest for the Wicked, which is green. I'll be using some of these little gems, which I'm about to lose all the pink ones. And I'll be using this CK plate number 26 with that happy birthday. And You Are Beautiful 06 using that zigzag. Alright, I started by painting all my nails with the Super Chick Lacquer 40 Winks, which is purple, and then topped it with a clear coat of Complete Salon Manicure and Cleared for Takeoff. Alright, I'm going to use the pink, the orange, and the green from Super Chic Lacquer to stamp the zigzag image onto each of the nails. That was not a very good scrape. Alright, I'm going to put a clear coat over this just to make the next stamp stick a little better, and let that dry, and I'll be back with the next part. Alright, I'm back to stamp the happy birthday on this snail. And as you saw, I'm doing this in white. And I'm just going to kind of do it at a nice jaunty sort of angle. And there it is. And a clear coat. And May, I know how much you love your blings, so I dug out my wheel of blings here, and I'm going to add a purple one. Actually, no highlighter. I'm not going to use purple. I'm going to use green. It's almost orange yellow color. It's not quite orange, but it's close enough. And whoop. Make a mess. And pink. On the other nails, I want to add some of these glow in the dark stickers. Just like that. And seal it in with a clear coat. When they're dry, I'll put a top coat on and call it good. We hope you have a great birthday, May. See you next time. Bye!